Welcome. In this video I'll show how to Photoshop on Android. So first you will need to launch the Google Play Store app, open search and type in Photoshop. Now look for the Adobe very own Android app that is called Photoshop Express. Get it installed. Once it is downloaded and installed, just launch it and use as you would. Well, I wouldn't say normally use Photoshop, since that's a very bare bones version of Photoshop, a lighter version, an express version apparently. But yeah, that's the closest thing you can get to. That's the closest you can get to photoshopping on Android. Anyway, as far as the basics go, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.